Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA with AE Velocity. In this video, we're going to walk through the two different ways you can log into Deltek Ajera. So Deltek Ajera runs from browsers, and so you log into the system through browsers. The trick is there's now two different ways that you can access Deltek Ajera. So the first is the legacy process, and this is where Deltek Ajera, the application and the database, were installed on a locally owned server. And so with that, the login URL is going to be custom to every company and every install. So usually the URL is some function of the company name /Ajera, and this is the screen that you see when you log in. You would want to make sure you're logging into the production database, so it should say the company name here, and you just log in from here. The newer method to purchase and use Ajera is to have the software hosted on Deltek servers. And so here we can see that we're looking at Ajera on Deltek Cloud. And so how this works is Ajera application and data are both installed on Deltek Ajera servers. And with that, the login is login.ajera.com. And with that, we quickly run through the two different ways to log into Deltek Ajera. There's no way to magically know which process a company uses for Ajera, and so you'll need to ask the firm's accountant or IT team to exactly which process is used and ask for the exact URL. This video is a part of our Deltek Ajera new user course that is free over on our website aevelocity.com. There's a link in the description below to log into the course. Thanks.